Welcome! Today we'll explore the power of LLM and Gen AI in analyzing insights from your dashboard. To access the AI CoPilot Dashboard, ensure you have a LambdaTest paid account and a well-structured dashboard with relevant data. The AI CoPilot Dashboard revolutionizes data analysis by providing intelligent recommendations, insights, and predictions tailored to your data. Sign into your LambdaTest account, navigate to the Insights section, select or create a dashboard, and launch the AI CoPilot. Communicate with the AI CoPilot using natural language to ask questions and receive data-driven recommendations and actionable insights. Leverage predictive analytics to forecast future trends and outcomes, helping you make proactive decisions based on historical data patterns. Customize the AI CoPilot's analysis to your specific needs and share insights effortlessly with your team for seamless collaboration. Embrace the future of data analysis with the AI CoPilot Dashboard. Start exploring and discovering valuable LambdaTest insights today. Thank you for watching.